student, today we will study like fraction and unlike fraction. So first we have to discuss what is like fraction and unlike fraction. So the like fraction are those fractions which have common denominator. So denominator is common. Here we can see 1 by 4, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4 and 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Here we can see denominator is common. So what is common here is denominator is 4 common. So this is like, these are the like fraction. Okay. So how can we solve like fraction? We can solve like fraction as difference of the numerator by common denominator. Let's difference between the numerator upon common denominator. Let's take an example. Okay, so here we can see 7 by 8, 3 by 8. So the denominator we can see easily 8 is common. So we just write 8. And the difference of the numerator is 7 minus 3, that is 4. So subtraction of the like fraction, how can we subtract? By taking a difference of the numerator upon common denominator. Now I have taken example from your notebook, from your book, that is 3 by 7 and 5 by 7. So how can we subtract? We can subtract 3 by, as we know that these are the like fractions, so we just write down denominator as a 7, so we have the right 7, and then take a difference of the numerator. Difference of the numerator is 3 and 5 का कितना होगा 2. So our answer is 2 by 7. Okay. Now these are the homework which I am giving you from, which is taken from your book, okay, maths book. So you have to solve and then answer on my WhatsApp. Send me your answer on my WhatsApp number. Now what is unlike fraction? Unlike fraction are those fractions which have not common denominator. देखो, if you can see here, denominator is not common. Here we can see 1 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. So denominator is not common. So how can we solve unlike fraction? So for that we have to take 3 steps. 3 steps. Which are 3 steps? First is take LCM of unlike denominators का LCM लेना है आपको which LCM you have to take denominator of unlike fraction. Second is convert unlike fraction into like fraction with their LCM as a common denominator. Okay, so whatever LCM we got, we just free that LCM like unlike को आपको like बनाना है, and then अगर आपका like बन गया, so you have to take a difference of the numerator upon common denominator. Okay, so let's take an example. I have taken this question from your maths book, and this is 7 by 8 and 5 by 12. So we can see 7 by 8 and 12 both are unlike fraction because denominator is not same. So first step is we have to take LCM. And how can we take LCM? We can take LCM by this way also. 8 and 12. So 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. ones are 2, 3 ones are 3. So the LCM will be LCM of 8 and 12 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How much we get? 24. Okay, so this is LCM 24. Now if we want this unlike fraction to become a like fraction, what we have to do, we want just convert denominator into 24. 7 by 8 को आप 28 को 24 कैसे आप convert करोगे? 5 by 12 को कैसे convert करोगे? So we should multiply 7 by 8. न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर आपको कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है? 3 से. So you multiply 3 both numerator and denominator of 7, and we get 21 by 20. Similarly, we multiply both denominator and denominator by 2 and we get 10 by 24. So this is, and now the third step is just like as solving common like fraction. How we can separate? We just take a